Hello everyone. Today we survived the first day of school and I just wanted to make you a video so that you could get started on your notebook in case you weren't in class today or if you've changed your schedule and maybe you're just a little bit behind. In my class I do what's called an interactive notebook and we take notes. I give you note sheets, we'll do notes, we'll keep up with all kinds of different things in here, review work, and that sort of thing. So what you're going to end up with is a notebook that kind of looks like this, and you're going to have information in it. We're going to make tabs. As you can see, we're going to cut different tabs one day, and each one of these are going to be labeled with different things. And I'm sorry, I'm new at videos, so I don't know how to make it the right way. So maybe I'll learn that along the way. For now, it's backwards. But this is what we're going to make. Well, if you notice, all of these have page numbers. For example, your notes are going to start on page 65. Well, in order for there to be page numbers, somebody has to put them there. And that's going to be you. My suggestion is to start with just a simple composition book. I buy these at Walmart for 50 cents. And they have 100 sheets in it, which means we can number to 200. So what you want to do is take your notebook and open it up. This is page 1. And we number front and back. So this is page 1. On the back of page 1, we have page 2. And then page 3. The back of page 3 is page 4. And then page 5, and so on. So what's going to happen is, if you can see this, and I'm sorry they're backwards, but all of your right-handed pages are odd numbers. So if along the way you notice an even number there, you've messed up. In the middle, in this one, if you have one of these books that's 100 pages, you can go to the middle, and in the middle, this should be page 100 and page 101. And my phone's ringing. You can go ahead and put that in and make sure that you are in the right place, because you have to have the right page numbers as you go along. And so go through and number all of the pages. So pause your movie and go number all of your pages and then come back. So now that you've got all of your pages numbered, we are going to talk about what's going to go in here. On this first day, we numbered the pages. We're going to talk about a motivational quote, and we're going to make a pocket. Well, on page 1, you are going to do a motivational quote. You want this to just cover the whole page. And that's all you're going to put on here. It can be anything that you are motivated by. This is your notebook. It's something that will keep you going. A quote from somebody in history, a quote from your grandma, a verse, a proverb, anything that you like. My rules are you have to have at least 2 colors, and you just need to be happy with it. So be thinking about that, and you want to design that page. Then we're going to make a pocket. The purpose of the pocket is so that you can put pages in here like this. Here's the student's quote. You're going to make a pocket so that we can put information in here. You might have things that you're not finished with, grades or whatever, that you might want to put in your pocket. So this pocket is going to have tape at the bottom so that papers do not fall out. Okay? So in order to do that, we're going to go to page 3. So you've got page 1, remember, is your motivational quote. Page 3, you're going to take page 3 and fold it backwards to the middle seam. So if you're looking at this, you're going to see page 1. Well, actually, you see page 2, number 2. Here is number 3. 4 is underneath there. Then over here is 5. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this page and we're going to tape it down to page 5. So we're going to tape it down to page 5. So in order to do that, we take a piece of packing tape, and I have these in class. If you don't have packing tape at home, if you're watching this video at home, if you want to come to school and do it, I have packing tape for you. But you want to lay your packing tape. I put my packing tape on page 6, kind of with the sticky side. Here's the sticky, and this is page 5. And then just fold this over Okay, and then you're going to roll this up. So you have page 3 is folded down and taped to page 5, and then we'll cut that little bit off. And then you also want to do it right here on the side. So we're going to take a little piece and do the same thing. I put it behind. Most authors think that's easy. I put it behind, and then I fold it over. And I need to cut off that little excess piece, I guess, before we do that. Okay. And then you have made a pocket that papers will not fall out of. Okay. So again, number all of your pages. Then start with page 1. Number all your pages. On page 1 is your motivational quote, and you need to use at least 2 numbers, or 2 colors rather, on that. And then we're going to make a pocket out of page 3, fold it down, tape it to page 5, and that makes your pocket. And that's all of day 1. We'll do a little bit each day this first week of school, and one day it'll be due, probably for us this semester it'll be due next Monday. But you're going to turn it in, and I will grade it that you have set it up correctly, and that'll be your first notebook grade. And so then we'll just go from there, and I'll make different videos for each day.